Hello, good people. So this is a follow-up video to the previous one about how to use JASP. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to open up a data file and also how to print those tables and graphs that I was unable to do in the last video. So first, let's figure out how to open up a file. So I've heard from students that saying that they can't download the file from Canvas, and it's correct because it's saved. The file itself in Canvas is an SPSS file, and if you don't have SPSS on your laptop or whatever you're opening with, it's not going to open. But what I just have attempted and successfully did in another computer is that even if you download it and you can't open it, should still be in your downloads folder and still be open it that way. So, alright, so open up JASP first, and so let's go on the computer and browse. And so if we browse, we're kind of able to look at the downloads folder. And so what I did was I download this, and I know this as an SPSS file because I have SPSS on this computer, but it'll show up, I think, as an SAV file. And so you should just be able to double-click on it, and it should open up. And so again, this is chapter 6 stuff that we just did in the previous video. So you should be able to open it up that way. So again, go ahead and try to download the SPSS file from Canvas. It won't be able to open, but it should be in your downloads folder as an SAV file, and that SAV file you should be able to open in JASP. And if not, let me know, and then I'll figure out another solution. But at this point, I believe this works. And so if we're going to sort of mimic what we were doing before with our previous homework, I just want to show you how to be able to show that print. So this is taking a while to load. Load. Seriously, why is this taking so long? Let's calm this down a little bit and see if it'll do this at first. Let's start over again. Okay, let's just try to do the frequency table first and see what happens. Or not. Let's try to do the plots. There we go. Alright, so when it comes to these plots, when you're trying to print them, what you need to do is that you can go over this little arrow over here and you can hit copy. And you copy it, and it's copied to clipboard, and you can go ahead and paste that into a Word document or whatever, a Google document or whatever sort of software you're using for that kind of stuff. So you're able to sort of use that and you're able to paste it directly into that. So I know if you were trying to just save this whole output as when you're trying to save it at the files and the tables, or the figures in the tables, they end up not coming through. And so once you do paste them in a Word, they get really, really big, so you just got to minimize it to make it small enough to fit on the page. And so probably what you should be doing is using Word or another type of word processing software, and then just paste it in here for your homework. So I think that's it. Again, download, go to the downloads folder, should be able to open up. Go to these. You can even copy all the distribution plots, or you can just copy each one individually, so on and so forth. So do that. If you got any questions, let me know. Thank you.